Me? No bubbles. Me have enough to deal with Reds right now. But just can't wait for the moment to make me thump him down.
I'm glad you know. Me just want you to stay away from anybody else who come to shopping. Cause my nephew have some questionable friends.
Well, him not that bad in bubbles. Anyways, bubbles, me tell you what go on in the dream. My dream say I come at the shop and I tell Shoppy say me no want work at the shop no more. Cause Reds win lotto 3 million and the 200 start steer upon me. Then you start telling me say the wrong thing me I do. Shoppy start telling me say the wrong thing me I do. Then me go say in my dream say me no care cause Reds have money. You would tell me say me go regret it. And me say to you say me no care cause me love him. I'm walk come out of the shop you know. Me tell you say me love Reds you know. And then walk come out of the shop now. I walk go up the road and book up in a carry him. He might carry food come give me you know. But him that say something to me. And you see through the way I'm ignorant. I walk past him. You know what though? He carry food for me. I'ma turn around back. I'ma take it from him. I'ma smell it. What name again? Alfred chicken with rice you know. And then me and him walk go up the road in a one. What me feel? Me and him there. Me I talk to him about Reds. Him a tell him about Tiffany, him girlfriend. But they at school and them something there. And him say him not hear from her and them something there. Boops now. And you me see pop up. And you walk come towards me and tell me say Bubbles tell us say me quit. Then you come tell me say bo me is a disappointment. Then me start cuss you. Then Karim start cuss you. And then the two of them start at it. With me and the middle of try partner because me no want to take
Toni-ann, hold on. What you say name again?
Oh, Karim?
You say him come round at the shop to shop enough time. When him come, at him alone?
Yeah. Well, not the first time though.
Who him come with the first time?
A tall youth. But him did have one bandana over him face.
Quickfoot.
Yeah. I saw Shoppy say him name.
You see the next time him come round there, call me.
How him do? Him do something bad?
No, Toni-ann. I just need to talk to him.
Okay. No man whisper. You make me feel uncomfortable. You want police?
No, Toni-ann. Me no police.
Bubbles, am I really just one fitness trainer?
Toni-ann, you police? And only police ask so much question. Jesus.
I'm just always serious. The man not even smile. I can't smile whisper. Not even blinking, can't blink. Alright.
Toni-ann, come sit down. You see that playful energy the way you have? Are the same energy you need for have when you deal with Reds.
Bubbles, I go try. But I can't promise you.
No, you know. You're not gonna try. You're gonna do exactly what I tell you to do. Reds for attack you and you have to defend yourself. You see, if police get involved, it must be self-defense. Toni-ann, this situation is very serious. You are an abused young lady. So we are going to make an example out of Reds.
Bubbles, we can stay here tonight. Because if me ever go back down this and if him look on me away, everything what Whisper teach me, he might go get it.
Alright, you can stay. We're going to work out how we move forward with this thing. Alright? Yeah. Yeah, me the one. Whisper. Take Toni-ann for a walk.
Come on. And make sure you smile.